In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new group in Notion. We'll start from the Notion homepage and finish with a brand new group ready to hold your tasks, so follow along step by step. First, head over to Notion.com. If you're not already signed in, click Login. For this walkthrough, choose the Google option and select your Google account to continue. Once you're in, you'll land in your workspace. Open the page that contains the database you want to organize. Groups in Notion work best in a database, so make sure you're on a page with a database rather than a simple text page. Inside the database, open the View's settings or options. This is the control panel for how your database looks and behaves. Go to Layout and switch the layout to Board. Board View displays your items as cards in columns, which is perfect for grouping by a property like status, team, or stage. After changing the layout, use the back arrow to return to the main view options. Next, choose Edit Properties. Here you'll confirm the property you want to group by. Select Multi-Select as the property type. Multi-Select is ideal because each option in that property can become a column and an item can belong to multiple options if you need that flexibility. Once you've set that property to Multi-Select, use the previous arrow to go back. Now open the group settings, click Group By, and choose the Multi-Select property you just set. As soon as you do, your board will reorganize into columns based on that property's options. You'll also see a New Group button appear on the board, which is exactly what we need. Click New Group. Give your group a clear, short name that matches your workflow, something like a status, a team name, or a phase. When you confirm, Notion creates a new option in the Multi-Select property and adds a new column to your board automatically. To start filling that group, click New Task inside the new column. This creates a new database item already assigned to that group, so you can add details like title, description, due dates, and assignees as needed. Your new group is now live and ready to use. Quick recap: log into Notion, open your database page, switch the layout to board, set or confirm a multi-select property, group the board by that property, create a new group, name it, and add a task within it. With that, you've structured your database to reflect how you actually work, making it easier to track progress at a glance.